Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how I achieved this beautiful afro within only 10 minutes and using only 2 products. So first of all, you need to know that my hair right now doesn't have any products in it. I just washed and conditioned my hair, but I also brushed my hair with the denim brush in the shower. So this is really one step that you really want to get if you want to have an afro when you get out of the shower. So basically, when you're gonna shower your hair, you're gonna go through every step, and at the end you're gonna brush your hair with the denim brush and put your hair up with your hands as if you were styling it when it was almost dry. And then you're gonna get out of the shower and not use a towel, but you're gonna try to use a shirt or something more soft for your hair and not have any frizz. So basically what I'm gonna do when I get out of the shower, I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit, just to have the volume side of the afro that I want. And then I'm gonna use my curly smoothie from Shea Moisture, and I'm just gonna apply it to all of my hair to make sure that my hair is really well hydrated. And you can see this product really works with my hair because my hair are instantly more voluminous and they have more light and they're really shiny and really hydrated. Now I'm going to use my second product, which is the Cantu Curl Activator, and I'm going to do the same thing, and mostly I'm going to apply it to more of the dry areas, so like the back and the middle of my head. And that's gonna be it for me today, and as you can see, it's a really quick tutorial. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment them down below, and I'll see you on the next video.